So today we have a 2011 Volkswagen Golf. It's got roughly 64,000 miles on it, and it's the 1.6 TDI engine, which is the diesel. Right, so if you've got this warning coming up on your dashboard, if you look in this part here, it'll come on in a tick. Service in 8 days. So if you've serviced your car and you would like to know how to reset that, I'll run you through the process. You generally find that is on a timer once a year, that will come up, but it's quite straightforward to reset. So we're going to be using these buttons on the steering wheel here. We're going to start by pressing this button on the right, which if you're watching the display, it will go through. Just keep pressing, that's the part we need, the settings. So now I need to scroll down to find the service interval, which I'll be using the down arrow there. Keep going. Service interval. Once that's highlighted, just press the OK button in the middle. And you can see there, info, reset, or go back. So we're going to go to reset, pressing the down arrow. Press OK again. Do you really want to reset the service? So we've serviced it already. Press the OK button, service reset. It's pretty straightforward. So now I'm going to go to the back button, which you can either go down or you can press the arrow down there, which is what I'm doing. Then press the right hand arrow again to find, that's the screen we were on. Now I'll turn the ignition off, back on, and hopefully that's it. It doesn't bring up the service reminder anymore. Thanks for watching. If you find our videos helpful, please hit like and subscribe to help us out. Nice one.